How to get the App Store back on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Before getting into the video, let me mention that it is not possible to delete the App Store from your iPhone since it is a default application of iPhone. However, there might be times when you do not see the App Store in your home screen or in your app library. First reason why you do not see it on your home screen might be because you have removed it from the home screen. To bring it back to the home screen, swipe all the way to the end of the home screen until you reach the app library. There, you will see the option for App Store. Drag the app to the home screen and you will get the App Store back on your home screen. This issue might also occur if you disallow installing apps in Settings. To check, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on Screen Time. Here, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and firstly toggle on the button for Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases and then tap on Installing Apps. If you disallow this option here, then the App Store will be disabled. Let me show by tapping on Don't Allow. You can see I do not have App Store in my home screen nor in my app library any longer. So make sure you have not tapped on the Don't Allow option under Installing Apps in Content and Privacy Restriction. Also, tap on Screen Time again and then tap on App and Website Activity under Limit Uses and then tap on Downtime. Now tap on Turn on Downtime until tomorrow. If you have enabled this option, then only apps that you choose to allow and phone calls will be available. Rest of the apps will not be available as you can see in my home screen. So make sure downtime is not enabled. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.